this one is by Sunber Hair. While I take this out, I'm gonna show you guys how your wig comes real quick.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no day. Me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
All right, you guys, so this unit is, of course, a headband wig, and it is by a company called Sunber Hair. I've actually worked with them a few times, and they do have quite a few great wigs, which are super affordable. So if you ladies are on a budget, you don't want to spend a lot, you want to add to your collection, definitely check them out. They have many units to choose from, and like I've said, I've worked with them from time to time. So this one here is a 24-inch body wave headband wig. As you guys see, it does come with the combs all up in the front. Along with that, there is the Velcro strip headband part that you will fasten on. Now, like I said, it's 24 inches and it is a body wave and it is highlighted. And I do believe this color is like a number 33, okay? And I can't really remember the density, but I will definitely list everything down below for you guys for this one. Now, normally I like to just flip my headbands back on the opposite side, or just, you know, flip it over a little bit because I don't want it too wide, but you know, it's your preference. So I decided to go with this green one here because it kind of matched my shirt a lot better. Now, I have gotten so many different headbands from so many different companies. Even if it's not a headband wig, they're still sending headbands out. But I do like the fabric of these right here from Sunber. It's hard to explain, but it reminds me of like a jersey type of material, and it's just really breathable. It's not so thick, and I just like it. I do like headbands, but I do like the fabric of theirs in particular. Now, you guys know how much I love this daggone 4-in-1 blow drying system. It comes with the blow dryer piece. It comes with this piece right here, which is the volumizer. It also comes with a diffuser and a head massager, which is just another brush. But I like this tool right here to use because it also will make the hair a lot more fuller. So I do like to use that. Plus, I do like to use it just to kind of get some of the curls out and also make it a little bit more softer at the ends versus using a hot comb or a flat iron or what have you. This brush really does work. You can check Amazon out for it. Now, as I was saying, the unit is highlighted, and I'm not like a huge fan of the color. I do like this particular color, but I'm not a huge fan of the way it was highlighted. But you know, to each his own. We all have our own particular taste. Now, I will say this though. For it to be 24 inches, there are many different things that you can do with this unit. You can wear it up in a high bun, a ponytail, half up, half down. You can put some braids in it. As long as you have your headband on, you're great and you're good to go. Headband wigs are super duper easy. They're affordable. I love them. I have quite a few in my collection, so I swear by them. Anybody can wear a headband wig. Your grandmama, your mama, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your toddler cousin. Everybody can wear headband wigs. So that's the cool thing about a headband wig. But definitely want to check out Sunber. They're super affordable. And like I said, I've, done quite a few reviews for them over the past. Now, this is 24 inches, honey. You don't have to go for the full 24 inches. But, if you like it really long, girl, then get you a long wig. But you can also check out the different textures that's also available on their website. And y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all check the description box. Let me know what y'all think of this unit.